afternoon, everybody. Hey, if you're building a truck engine looking for some torque, our 408 Windsor Stroker is exactly what you should be looking for. We got the Hyper Spark distributor from Holley. We got the Sniper fuel injection system on top. Thing just got done making straight off idle 500 foot-pounds of torque and stays right there. That's what you want if you're going to build some type of a truck. This is going into a Bronco specific engine. Got the Bronco pan on here. But that's what we're talking about when we custom build. You tell us you put in the car, we design something to where you want it for your car. This is for a truck. It's fantastic. But again, we'll build any engine you like. Give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Remember what I always say, hey, the proof is in the performance. You got to win, you want to win with us. Proformance Unlimited. Peace. All right, Mark, we got your 67 Ford Bronco engine here. Happens to be one of our 408 Windsor Strokers, and this bad boy is real nice. We're going to fire this up and give you a dyno pull.